Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I just want to do a quick little unboxing. I placed the order with Spring Hill Nursery. They were having a 50% off sale. So I ordered a few things. There was a lot that was out of stock that I didn't get a chance to get, but I'm so glad I was able to grab this one item. This is the first thing that I've gotten so far out of my order, and I wanted to show you guys. So I was expecting something small. I ordered a tree. I was expecting a little small bare root tree to be coming in the mail, and I got this. Oh my gosh, this thing is huge. So I was hoping to have it in a pot and it be, you know, really cute over the next few years. But look at this thing. It's huge. I'm gonna lay it down here on the ground. Look how big this is. It is huge. So this is a Rising Sun Redbud, and I'll show you the tag right here. Rising Sun Redbud, and I have been in love with these for the last 2 years, so I'm glad that I was able to find one 50% off. This tree cost me, I think it was $39, 50% off. So yeah, and if you see these guys, they go for upwards of 100 plus. And for this size, this is, to me, this is a really good buy, because this plant is really tall. Give me a second. So this plant is at least 5 foot tall, at the least. So yeah, I'm super excited to have it. I know it doesn't look like much right now, but this summer is going to be the bomb. Look at that good root system. Look at that. This is going to take off. It looks so good. So I've got my Rising Sun Redbud soaking in water to help rehydrate it. The instructions say to soak it for 30 minutes, but no more than 24 hours. So that's what I'm doing. And then I've chosen this pot to stick it in. This will be temporary until I can find something bigger over summer. And then I brought out my soil from inside. I store my soil in a tub with holes on the side. And then I've got these coffee filters, because these help keep the soil from leaching through the drain holes in the pot. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. This guy's been soaking for half an hour now, so I'm going to go ahead and plant him. Cover that hole. Okay, so they're all covered. Next thing I'm going to do is add some soil. So this tree is already too big for this pot, but this is all I have right now to dedicate to it. As soon as I can find something bigger, I will get it. But for right now, it'll be just fine in here, putting out new growth. And then come, I'm thinking June-ish, I'll go ahead and repot it. but it'll be fine for now. I tucked the roots in, and so I'm just going to go ahead and backfill with soil. So I've got the baby tree all planted up. I'm going to bring him inside and water him in the kitchen, and then I'm going to put him in the dining room right next to the elephant ears in front of that window and just let him go ahead and gradually wake himself up. Once it's past my frost-free date, then I'll stick him outside with everything else. But yeah, I'm so excited to have this plant in my collection. I've been eyeing it for a while, and I expected it to be much smaller when it arrived, but I'm also not, I can't be upset. It's a rising sun redbud. So